let me go live here. So you can see there are 4 questions. Now you are live, so anyone can join. So by just using the pin or using the link, I can join. So let me copy this link and let me open incognito mode. So I can join this quiz. So let's say I'm Yogesh. You can click on join. So this will be team event or team training is going on. So you want to test their knowledge. So anyone can join by just entering pin also. So let me open another private browsing window. Now let me paste that pin and I will enter by the pin. So I don't need to have that URL itself. So here I can say, let's say Alex Jackson, and I will click on join. So as soon as you join the quiz, so the admin or host can see that player's real time. You can see immediately he will be able to see those changes, how many players have joined and their names. So you admin don't need to refresh the page. It's all real time. So I can click on start quiz. So once I click on start quiz, this quiz will be started for everyone. You can see there are 4 questions. If I come here, you can see for everyone the quiz will be started immediately. So what is the purpose of let keyword to declare a block scope variable? So I can enter this. So let's say what is the result of this. So I can select 22. So this user has selected 2 questions. Now let me come here. What is the purpose of let's again check this also itself. So we have timer of 30 seconds for each question. So let me select this time not a number. And for this, which of the following are primitive data types in JavaScript? Here I can select all of the above. What is the difference between null and undefined JavaScript? So I can also skip any of the questions. So I don't want to answer this question or I don't know answer of this question. So you can see the timer is going on and on the admin side, you can see the timer also. So who has joined, what is the progress. So Yogesh has completed all the questions. Now Alex also has completed all the questions. There is still 50 seconds time remaining. But here you can see this quiz is complete. So this user, what is this user? Alex. Alex has completed this quiz. He has attempted 2 questions and 2 are skipped. And if I come here, this is the who is the user. This is Yogesh. So he has attempted 3 questions and 1 is skipped. So I am you. So that is Yogesh. So I can see my result. So I can click on this particular icon or list and I can see which are the questions I selected and what is the correct answer. So I can easily see the real time value. So what is the result of that particular quiz, what I selected and what is the correct answer. So I can go back to the leaderboard and I cannot select this Alex. You can see I am not Alex. So I joined this quiz as Yogesh. So only I can see my own result, not other result. So here this is Alex. So Alex can click on this and he can see his result, whatever he has selected. Now admin can see all of these users. So you can see admin can click on all of the users or participant who has joined and he can see result of all of these participants. So this is really useful if you want to create engaging audience, you want to test how much knowledge you have, and you can go to my quizzes and you can easily see results. So previous results, if I want to see, I can click on results. I can also export it to Excel. So all these information will be exported. I can click on export to Excel. So you can see the exported Excel is opened and I can see the score that is for that each of the user. I can also see the detailed answer. So Alex has answered 50% of the question. So question 1 is C answer. Question 2 has A answer, which is he has answered. Question 3 he skipped. Question 4 also skipped. So you can see all of these. So the questions, actual questions, their correct answer.